Today we're going to bring a dusk to dawn light, and this is a floodlight, if you guys can see that. When it has a sensor in the front here, so you can actually see it when it works. It goes through day to night mode. It automatically turns on, so you can leave it on permanent and it automatically turn off in the day. Now this one does require power. There's 3 cords that you need to be aware. You got your neutral, your hot, and then you got your ground, right? Very simple. Now they do have a waterproof seals, all right, and also the backings included with it too, including the actual screws and the right connections and the mounting. So let's put this together and see how it works at night. So let's go ahead and do that. I set up the actual floodlights here, so they're not on right now. They're connected already, and they're gonna be video. I'm gonna see if I can see the whole pool here, because I do want to clean it at night. I don't like to clean it during the day because it's too hot, and that light's gonna help me actually make sure that I get it nice and clean. So let's go ahead and test it out tonight and see how well it works. Check it out. Look at the lights. They're completely covering the pool area. Awesome lights. They're on the top. They're like 12 feet long. But look at this entire area. Completely covered.